Heat is needed to vaporize or dry anything. The line does not denote anything about heat. Moreover, nothing is indicated here that which is vaporized or dried. So the choice D and E are not relevant in this question. Choice C and F can be relevant, but they don't fit. Nothing is mentioned here about which is transformed or converted by milk. Choice C and F are so eliminated, along with choice D and E. So the correct answers are choice A and D. Mar means to spoil. Microbes or bacteria have the ability to ferment or spoil any food in this way. So the correct answers are choice A and choice B.